These guys are 3-stage table base. Pretty slick. Just pull these levers back, and you can basically stop this anywhere you want if you want to break this down. Let's see, it needs a little bit of force. So wherever you want to stop it, you then just pop these arms back into place. So if you need to go all the way to the ground. So it sits down pretty low because it's a triple post that goes inside of itself. You don't need to bust a hole into the floor. Some of these units do have a post that just actually comes down into your chassis area, kind of traditional boat style. So then when you want to pop it up, you can do a single. Your double takes it all the way up to this height. I don't have the specs on me for the highest opening or the lowest closing, but that should be on our website if you want to check that out. But pretty quick actions, super smooth. It holds quite a bit of weight, and a lot easier than having to wiggle off your old post and pull all that stuff and find a hiding spot for it. So we've got those for sale right now. We can ship them out, or you can come pick them up at Reparadise. But check out our e-commerce page at reparadise.co.